Good morning, Shadows. Just going to the ATM to get some money, and then we will be headed to Gjirokastra. Yeah, had a good night's sleep because of a thunderstorm. Perfect. Alright, so proper good morning, Shadows. I am out of the hostel and at the bus stop waiting to go. The ticket wasn't that bad, so 300 lek, which is basically like $3 to go to Gjirokastra. The hostel is already booked, so I just have to make sure I know where I'm going. That's a big one. So yeah, just sitting here waiting, and then we'll be on our road. Shadows, so I made it to the hostel to give you my typical tour. So, little window out the door, it's pretty cool. This is the room. It is a 10-room dorm. So far it looks like nobody else is in here with me. I definitely hope some people show up. I'd like to meet some people, so I'll give you like a little further tour. Come on down. These are some steps. Check it out, a little bit of artwork. All right, we head up. And this is the common room with the kitchen. Pretty nice, yeah? Then, bathroom. So, all in all, pretty cute little hostel. The girl that checked me in was super helpful, an American, who came with Peace Corps and just stayed. So, that is the hostel. I'm gonna relax a little bit for a few minutes, and then we'll head out and see what we can see of the city. I think tomorrow we'll do the castle, and the next day maybe we'll do some of the other little sites that she marked down. And then it'll be on to, I can't remember whether it's Berat or Tirana, but I think it's Berat. I'll let you know later. Everything's gonna take me a little longer here because everything is on a hill. Check it out. Whew. Good morning, Shadows. Getting a little bit of a late start today. Just kind of hung around the hostel and chatted, had breakfast, and you know, kind of tried to make friends. Honestly, I think I was trying to keep from having this wonderful walk. So today we are going to concentrate on the 2 houses, and then tomorrow we'll do the castle. Yeah, this is my morning walk. I got lost, so heading back the way I came. I think it happened when there was a split in the road. So yeah, the maps here, not fantastic. That's what I have to say. I found it. I walked past it twice. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Just kind of walked through, looked at the rooms. It was pretty decent. Now I'm gonna try to find the other house. Hopefully. Alright guys, so I'm just kind of wondering now. There's some really cool little like side streets and I'm just taking them and kind of finding stuff. Right now I'm in, I don't know where I'm at, but this is the view. That's the castle. So that's the castle we'll be going to tomorrow. Honestly, I don't know if I'll make it to the other house. I did do the one house and it was cool. It was cool. Like I said, I don't know, like, it was alright. I think I'm more into like the monuments and museums than I am like that kind of stuff. But it was worth the 200 lek. Like I got to see kind of how everything was built. And now I'm just kind of sitting, had a drink of water, and I'm gonna start walking again. That way. Alright guys, so one of the joys of just kind of wandering around kind of gets you to see or find things that kind of unique. I'm just following signs now. There's supposed to be some aqueduct ruins, and of course it's uphill, so I just thought I'd stop and get a drink of water. Then I saw this. So that, I guess, is the way to the castle that isn't the stairs. There's this here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a sign that says tunnel. So, I mean, look at this. Just look behind me. Right? It's amazing. So pretty. I'm actually on the other side of the castle. And like I said, I just walked around, found some things that were kind of cool. I try to, when I'm out and about, because, you know, I have to work, like we've talked about that, to, you know, at least be out for at least 2-3 hours, you know, sightseeing. And because I can take my time, I do. So, yeah. So we're gonna start walking back, and this is my walk. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, come on. Just listen. Except for the gentleman having a conversation in, I think, Albanian. Just listen. Isn't that great? Alright guys, that's where I'm going to leave it for today. Kind of just did a little exploring as well as saw Skidooly House, which was very cool if you're into that kind of stuff. Tomorrow it's all about the castle, and then getting ready to head out to Berat. So this is where I'm going to leave you. I have some work I have to get done, so see you tomorrow, guys. Early afternoon shadows. Had a late start, but beginning my trek up this lovely hill to go see the castle. So I made it to the top. This is the view, guys. It's pretty cool. A little bit of an exhausting walk. Going down will be way better. Now we're getting ready to go in there. So let's see. Okay, so I don't know how good the light's gonna be in here, so probably not a lot of filming. But I'm in the castle. Check it out. Pretty darn cool. Says it should take about an hour to 2.5 hours depending on what I see. There's only 200 left to get in. If I want to do the museum, it's another 200. So, pretty darn cool. Albania on your list. Make sure you come to Gjirokastra. It's a small city, but there's beautiful sights and this amazing castle. Yeah, I definitely highly suggest it. The beaches are beautiful, of course, like, and I know that's where most people want to flock, but take a little tour inland and see what brings as you come into the mountains of Albania. I think you'll really be surprised. Ooh. Get away from me! Had a bee moment, guys. Not allergic, but just don't like. Alright, so yeah, I can't say enough about this place. I mean, come on. So cool. Make sure you wear your sunblock and bring water, like always. And take your time. Take your moments. Make sure you absorb everything.